We're told the sequence is arithmetic, and then we're told the first term is 24, and the sixth term is -1. So to find out what the sequence is, let's find out how many places we move to get from 24 to -1. And you can probably do that in your head, but to do it mathematically, you could take the term you landed on and subtract the term that you started on. So it gives us -25. We went back 25 spaces. Now, since it's arithmetic, that means it increases or decreases by the same amount each time. So since we started the first term and we get to the sixth term, that means we can average it out over the 5 terms that we went. A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, A sub 5. So by taking that average, we find the common difference. The common difference is -5 for these points. So to find out what the sequence looks like, now that we have the common difference as decreasing 5 each time, we can find the sequence algebraically by saying A sub n, where n represents whatever term we want to get out of it, like 5th and the 9th, or etc. You take A sub 1, you add to it d, which is multiplied by n minus 1. In this case, we have A sub 1. That's 24. And we have a common difference is -5. And the n needs to stay there because that's the variable that we plug in. So this formula is 24 subtract 5n plus 5. So in other words, we got 29 minus 5n. 29 minus 5n. You can check to see if that formula works too, because if you plug in a 6 in for n, it should spit out the sixth term, -1. 6 in here gives you 30. 29 minus 30 does indeed give you -1.